So today, Magdalena and I are in Benissa. And good morning, Magdalena.
Good morning, Barry. Good morning, Noel.
So we're here to have a look round, and we're going to do a little bit different today. We're going to go in and look at the museum and the old library, which is 15th century, so pretty old. And we'll have a look around to see what else we can find. Very quiet here at the moment, so I don't envisage seeing too many people. But we'll have a look around, and don't forget, if you like the video, please subscribe, please ring that bell, and we look forward to seeing you all very soon. Okay, bye, ciao.
Bye.
You have all these little roads going off the main walkway, and they're very steep, so no way of getting a wheelchair up there, but you can't walk up there, of course. And then we go back on the main drag, and this is where they've got a lot of the Christmas decorations still up, obviously, as it's only just gone Christmas.
It's good. It's nice too.
It's very quiet here, isn't it, today? You know, there's not a great deal of people here, is there?
No, nobody here. And the town is so beautiful and have a beautiful bars with incredible cakes and coffee.
Yeah, no, it's a nice place.
Nice place. All the restaurants closed.
Yeah.
But it's good place.
Yeah, it is.
In the summer must be beautiful.
Well, in the summer it's just so, well, like I think the whole of Spain.
Yeah.
In the summer it's totally different, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's very busy.
Yeah.
You know.
It's very busy. I have to stop because the music part.
Check that, make sure.
This is beautiful building, Barry.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, is this a museum of some sort?
And this one?
Yeah, that one there. Hold on a second.
1,700. So
1700.
Old. Yeah, so incredible. Many years ago. This is beautiful.
I tried the writing.
Hola.
Hay un ascensor para acceder a ese edificio.
Muy bien.
Vale, puedes
Very
ver
good.
el edificio. Esto es un museo y aquí está el vídeo. ¿Vale?
Vale.
¿De dónde venís?
Vineyard Bay. Él es británico, es inglés.
Pues pongo Inglaterra. ¿Y ustedes?
Somos de Lituania.
Lituania, pues ustedes de Lituania.
Vale. Good, thanks.
16th century.
16th century. Incredible.
So this is a 16th century building that we're in now. This is the old library, apparently.
Oh,
so the guy just told us. So, but it's beautiful inside. Absolutely beautiful. We're going to pop into the museum afterwards. We've never done that before, so we're going to try that. This is the ceiling in the library. It's quite incredible.
Yeah, so beautiful.
I don't know, I suppose it's wallpaper. It could be painted, I suppose.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
Oh, hand paint.
Yeah, maybe painted, I think.
Paladrar.
Incredible, isn't it?
Beautiful and incredible place. An incredible video.
It is.
paella. We have to eat paella.
Yeah. This is where we got to before, I think, for the church.
I want to take the church on the
The mountain, look.
No, beautiful. This is the best. Had the same flowers. Oh, love it. Love it. It's so beautiful. Incredible buildings. Yes, hay. Pero en mis árboles no, porque si no tienes que tener alguien que haga esto siempre. Y si no lo saben, prefiero darle lo que como es de la naturaleza, porque sí, para esto tiene que saber la persona especializada. Esto es una persona especializada de esta cosa.
So I'm now on Fustera Beach, Playa La Fustera, I think it's pronounced. And not many people know this, but this is part of Benissa. And I've not been here before. And so it's an experience to come here today to see what it's like. I mean, it's a tiny little place, but it is part of Benissa. And so that's why I thought we'd come down here. But you can see behind me the beach and the sea. There's, as far as I can see, there's only one restaurant here, which is quite a big one. But I'd imagine that you've always got to book, because I can't believe that it's ever empty, because it is in such a great location. So yeah, it's we've not explored much yet, but there's not a great deal to explore, but we'll have a look anyway and see what else is here. But yeah, so Benissa, even though it's about 25 minutes drive away, this is part of Benissa and this is their beach. So we've got one end of the beach all the way through till the end of the beach, which is just there, so you can see how small the beach is. So I'd imagine in the summer it's absolutely heaving, but that is it. It's very, very tiny, but it is sand, and I'd imagine if you can get to a position on the beach in the summer, it's quite pleasant. But parking, I would say, is not particularly easy. Even today, you know, on a winter's day, it's still pretty busy and there's not many parking spaces.